In this video we are going to learn about accounting voucher entry using TallyPrime. To record a transaction, we use various voucher types. When we create a company, Tally will create 24 predefined voucher types by default, for accounting, inventory, payroll and orders. We can create additional voucher types under these predefined voucher types for various transactions. So, now let us see how we can record voucher types. From Gateway of Tally, select Vouchers. When we open the vouchers, we can see we are now in Payment Voucher type. If we look at the right side of the screen, we can see the name of voucher types and their shortcut keys. There are Contra, Payment, Receipt, Journal, Sales, Purchase and other vouchers. If we select other vouchers, we can see the voucher types like Debit Note, Credit Note, Physical Stock, Stock Journal, etc. Now let us explain each voucher type and how to post the transaction. First, we can start with Receipt Voucher. The shortcut key to select receipt is F6. Whenever the company receives money, we enter Receipt Voucher. Example: capital introduced to the company, money received from customer, etc. So, let us post a receipt voucher entry. We can create an entry for money received in the form of capital. So here, we need to credit capital account and debit cash or bank account. I'm selecting cash here. You can enter narration if required. And save the transaction. Next, we can check Contra voucher. The shortcut key is F4. Contra vouchers are used to record internal fund transfer entries. There are 4 scenarios in which we use Contra vouchers: cash deposit to bank, cash to cash, cash withdrawal from bank, bank to cash, bank transfers, bank to bank, petty cash replenishment, cash to cash. Example: cash deposit to bank, credit cash, and debit bank 1. Cash withdrawal from bank, credit bank 1, and debit cash. Interbank transfer. Here we are transferring money from bank 1 to bank 2. So, credit bank 1 and debit bank 2. Petty cash replenishment. Credit cash and debit petty cash. Now save the transaction. Next is payment. The shortcut key is F5. When we make any kind of payment, it will be recorded in Payment Voucher. Example: rent paid, cash paid to supplier, loan given, etc. So, let us post a rent payment entry. Debit rent paid, credit cash. Next voucher type is Journal Voucher, shortcut key F7. Journal Voucher in Tally is an important voucher which is used to make all kind of adjustment entries, credit purchases or sales, fixed assets purchase entries, etc. All kind of non-cash and non-bank transactions are posted in Journal Voucher. Here we can post an entry of a credit purchase of fixed asset from the supplier. So, first let us create a fixed asset account by pressing Alt+C. Type the ledger name as fixed asset, select the group as fixed asset and save the ledger. Here, debit fixed asset, and credit supplier 1. And save the transaction. The next voucher type is sales. But before that, let us check purchase. The shortcut key for purchase is F9. When a company buys goods on credit or cash, purchase voucher is used to record all the purchase transactions of the company. In the supplier invoice number, we can input the invoice number in the invoice we received from the supplier. It will pick the date automatically. Next, select the supplier name. Press Enter. This column is for purchase ledger. Press Alt+C or select Create and create a purchase ledger. Next, select Item 2, press Enter, and Item Allocation screen will appear. Here, we can select the location in which we need to allocate the items. We can select any location you want to store the item and enter the quantity you are purchasing, and the rate of purchase. Press Enter and save the transaction. Next, we can select Sales Voucher. Shortcut key is F8. When a company sells goods on credit or cash, sales voucher is used to record all the sales transactions of the company. So, here let us post a sales transaction. Select the customer name, select the sales ledger, enter the item name. Here, select Item 2. Select the location, input the quantity and rate. Save the transaction. This is how we post accounting vouchers in TallyPrime. If you find the video helpful, please let us know by pressing the like button or drop a comment. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.